Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Alipay. The next thing you need to do is to click on account. Next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon. Next thing you need to do is to click on general. Next thing you need to do is to click on language. Then here we go. From here, you can choose any other language right here. So at the time of making this video, these are available language that you can change your Alipay app into. So by default, I'm using English version of Alipay. You can decide to choose. You can decide to switch from English to other language of your choice. If you want to go ahead with this language right here, which is Korean language, select on the language. Having selected on the language, then come to the top right there and hit on save, and the language will be saved into your Alipay to the previous, and the language will be saved to your preferred language. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your Alipay app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.